Okay, taxiing out. Watch this, Frankie. I'm gonna do a loop on takeoff.
Takeoff flaps.
Fucking gyro.
Off. Gyro initialized.
How's that?
I want to see his F-15 go up.
Okay, watch this. All right, take it off.
Timer cleared. Flaps up. Gear up.
Okay, watch.
Oh,
Whoop. How was that, Frankie?
that was pretty good. I'm gonna put gyros in fucking, especially that $20 gyro.
Yep.
Fantastic. I ain't buying any more $40 fucking gyros. Don't need it.
Low pass from the left.
No pass. No pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool? It just does it.
Oh man, my guy's happy.
Touch and go from the left. Oh, never mind. Go ahead, Ricky. Good. I see him.
Touch and go! Touch and go! Left to right!
Landing flaps. Gear up. Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Is that Ricky?
Seconds.
Holy crap.
That's just probably a
My God. Low pass from the left. I'm going to do slow. Slow-ish. That's no throttle.
Time remaining 1 minute.
We said!
I know, I was in the wrong area.
You're like, you gotta film this shit. Watch out for Ricky. He's
Oh, there goes Ricky. Oh, crap. There's Ricky.
Spotter thing is actually
Yeah, it's not bad.
worry too much.
I always keep my
It's
eyes open
annoying,
anyway.
No,
Yeah,
sometimes it's see like that.
Yeah, like that.
Okay,
Touch and go from the left.
cool. Oh, you will.
Gear up.
It won't slow down.
It will. Watch out for that other hawk. It's coming right into me. Ricky's riding
Ooh,
your
I see him.
line, yeah?
30.
I saw him, don't worry.
I think you're pro pilot. They've never hurt
No, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. You're right. Because there's a little wackiness going on. Low pass from the left.
I'm thinking of buying like micro servos.
10.
Oh, making it super light.
No, putting
What?
it into gear.
7.
Oh.
6.
So that it
5. 4. 3. Gear down.
Okay, landing from the left.
Landing flaps.
Full stop.
Expired.
all you.
Flaps up.
The T-45 is not a flying tail, right?
No. Oh, maybe it is, yeah.
Is it?
It is.
Full
I
flying
think it
tail?
is, yeah. I have to look. I don't remember. Taxing back.
I mean, I would expect them to have made the 90 millimeter. Oh, you're trying to blow that off. I would have expected.
Runway clear! Runway's clear!
I would have expected for you to make the
What?
full flying tail.
Yeah, it is full flying, I think. There's one here. Oh, look.
No, it's not.
It isn't?